Hey there, it's time to make your financial life a little easier. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Chime account to PayPal in just 2 minutes. First things first, make sure you have both your Chime and PayPal accounts set up and verified. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Chime app. Tap on Move Money at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the transfer options. Step 2. Select Transfer Funds. Now, you'll need to link your external bank account. Click on Add External Account and choose your bank. In this case, we're selecting PayPal. Step 3. Log into your PayPal account to link it with Chime. Once you're logged in, follow the prompts to complete the linking process. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Step 4. Now that your PayPal is linked, go ahead and select PayPal from your list of external accounts. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the details. Step 5. Hit transfer and voila! Your money is now on its way to your PayPal account. Remember, transfers can sometimes take a few business days to process, so keep that in mind. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from Chime to PayPal in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Stay financially savvy, and I'll catch you in the next video.